Okay, so last week we were working with the series convergence tests. We were working on the p-series and the comparison tests, integral tests. So I wanted to start out and go back and review some of those tests and make sure those are pretty solidly in your mind and you're feeling confident with those. With that first problem, what test kind of comes to mind as far as determining if that series converges or diverges?
It's not the divergence test.
How do you know that?
Because it's not gonna equal 0, or it's gonna equal 0. Sorry.
Yeah, I was gonna say, I'm glad that was the first test that you thought to do, is look at that nth term and make sure it in fact goes to 0. Otherwise, it would diverge. Perfect.
I wouldn't think the root test.
Okay.
Because it's not to the nth root.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so limit comparison, or just regular comparison? Question.
Okay. What would you compare it to?
Last answer right now. Yeah, I don't know.
Could you rewrite that series?
N to the 1/4 over n.
Yeah. Okay. Does that help at all?
No.
Can you simplify it anymore?
Could you do n? Yeah. Maybe, I don't know.
How do you, if you have something like n squared over n to the 4th, what would that simplify to?
N over n squared.
Yes. How do you know that?
You subtract them.
Okay, exactly. Yeah.
Okay.
So apply that then. I know the fraction is kind of a little bit bizarre. If this is
subtract the 1/4, subtract the 1.
Yep, so when you, if you have n to the 1/4 and then, so the 1/4 minus 1 would be...
Oh, negative 3/4.
Yeah, so you could write it as n to the negative 3/4. How could we write it so it doesn't have a negative exponent?
1 over n to the 3/4.
There you go, that might be a little bit more helpful.
All right. Oh, you're still waiting on me? Okay.
Can you tell now if it converges or diverges?
Yes, it diverges.
Why is that?
Because 3/4 is less than 1.
Good. What test is that?
P-series.
Exactly. Perfect. Yeah, I like that you said you're looking at your exponent. So since this exponent is less than 1, then my series will converge. Perfect.